Hey friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and more. Hope y'all are having a great Tuesday. Today's video is hashtag crockpot casserole. It is an open collaboration. It's hosted by myself and Lois over at Life with Lois, and I'll have her channel linked down below. And for tonight's dinner, my daughter made us spinach manicotti, and it looks delicious. And then we had some Texas toast, added a little extra mozzarella on it, and then we have our leftover cucumber salad that I made, I think it was a day ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and until next time, oh, and don't forget to go over and check out Lois and see what she's got going on. And until next time, bye y'all. Thank you, Bella, for making dinner.